Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you join me here today on the highly desirable Portland Street in the heart of Leamington town centre. We're just a short walk from the train station, and just round the corner we've got the shops and the restaurants. It really is a great place to live. This house has been beautifully renovated to a high standard, and at the rear we've got a garden that gets the sun most of the day and potential for off-road parking. If you'd like more information on the property, please contact me on the details at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.